Hello and welcome to workshop number 4, a part of our mini-series on reading plans for beginners. So make sure that you've seen all the other workshops before you jump on this one. And in this one, we're going to be looking at working out the cut or fill for one of your jobs. Let's do it. Once you know the cut level, the next step is determining whether material needs to come out or you need to bring material in. So let's look at example 1 where we're going to have to do a cut. The natural ground level is 100.250. The cut level is 99.800. So the difference, 100.250 minus 99.800 equals 0.450 meters or 450 mil. So because the NGL, or natural ground level, is higher than the cut level, you're going to have to excavate. Therefore, you're going to have to cut 450 mil out. Looking at example number 2, we're going to have to fill. So the natural ground level is 99.6. The cut level is 99.800. So the difference is 99.800 minus 99.600. That equals 0.200 meters, or otherwise known as 200 mil. So because the natural ground level is lower than the cut level, you're going to need to fill. So you're going to need to bring in at least 200 mil of fill. And don't forget to allow for compaction, because as you bring that material in and use the roller or the pad foot, it's going to compact, and you're going to have to bring in more than you actually calculate. But that's another workshop. So a simple rule to make sure that you don't get confused is this. If the natural ground level is higher than the cut level, then you need to cut. If the natural ground level is lower than the cut level, then you need to fill. So just remember that, and it should help you avoid getting confused. A quick tip for everyone, take multiple natural ground readings across the site. Ground levels can often change more than you think. You might have a 2-meter drop towards the back of a job site. Now that we know whether we need to cut or fill, let's work out how much material we need to either bring in or how much we need to take out. See you in the next workshop.